Hello friends, so in this video I would like to show you how to change rear brake pads, but we're gonna do a bit differently, a bit easier way. We're gonna leave brake drum in place and only remove this part of the wheel. It should save us quite a lot of time. You should put something to support your rear wheel, some wood or I don't know, some plastic or something, just to keep it in place. And now we're gonna need to remove central axle, and it is 14 millimeters, and on the other side it has nut of 19 millimeters. And after removing this axle, we will be able to remove this part. I don't know how to call it, it's just like a spacer. So we're gonna remove the spacer. After that we can remove chain, then push wheel to the left side, and then after that we can push this, remove this spacer, push drum brakes to the right side, and then we're gonna get access to rear wheel. Now we can try to push axle out. Maybe. I'm pushing with one hand from that side and just turning the axle and it should come off. In this case, what you can do, you can push like this and turn. It should come off. Yep. Okay. Now we can remove this spacer. Maybe first from other side. This one is from another side. Now this side. Chain. And now we can push wheel to the left side. Now pull drum brakes. They are off. And now we can take wheel out. Just be careful not to damage brakes. Come on. Yep, that's it. So now we have full access to our brake pads, and they are from two pieces, and they are held only by these two springs and this part. So to remove them, it's super easy. You just need to push them apart, and that's it. Your brake pads are off. So in my case, they are completely new, so I'm not gonna change them. But when you're gonna change old ones, you're gonna probably get like this. Maybe you're gonna get new springs, or maybe you're gonna reuse these ones. So to put pads on, you just need to put the springs in places. You don't even need pliers. It's super easy to put them in place. Like this and this. Okay, so now we need to put them like this part into here, and basically that's it. Your brake pads are in. and we can assemble back whole wheel. Before we're gonna put wheel back, I suggest to remove this sprocket. It's just gonna make us a little bit more room to work inside. Now we can put wheel back. Just be careful not to bend brake disc. Okay, now put brakes in. And now we can put this wooden block just to lift this wheel. Alright, brakes are in. Now we can put sprocket back, but just double check dampeners. Are we correct place? Double check this part because it moves. And now let's put it back together. Alright, it is in. Now, and put bike in a neutral. It will be easier. Now just push back. Now we can put axle back. Just don't forget this part goes here. So. Now this spacer goes in, but this spacer goes inside this rubber. And just clean it before if it has some rubbish. Now we can put axle back. Right, it is in on this side. Now let's do another side. This side most likely gonna be a bit harder to do it. Okay, so let's push axle in. Oh, wait, too much. Okay, now we can put the spacer. Okay, axle is in the spacer, and now we need to manage to press that axle in this hole. It's gonna be probably a bit trickier. Okay, I'm in the hole. Now this part goes like this. Can remove wood block. Now we need to do a couple more things. We need to adjust chain tension and wheel alignment, and after that we need to adjust our brakes. I have videos how to do that on my channel, so feel free to watch them, and I'll see you in the next video.